Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this really cute rubber band hairstyle. It's colorful, it's perfect for spring, and you're going to love it. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I post more videos like this. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. So as you can probably tell, I'm starting off with blown out hair. I blow dried my hair a couple days ago and I haven't did anything with it since. So I wanted to do something cute and fun with it. So that's why I'm doing this hairstyle. So the first thing you want to do is section out a middle part. I already have one, but I'm going to go ahead and try to perfect it. And then apart from your middle part, on each side you're going to part a section. So now that you got your rectangular sections up top, you're going to put these away because we're not going to need these until later on. So I'm going to work on this one first, and with this section I'm going to separate it into 3 squares and rubber band each one. So this is my first square, and I'm going to take some gel. I'm just using the Olive Oil Eco Styler gel. I'm going to put it on the root of the section just so that, you know, it's smooth and it's not too frizzy, because we want this style to be as sleek as possible. So how I get a good grip on the part, I just twist it in the center, and then I'm going to take my rubber band and band it off. So I got some really cute like pastel color rubber bands. They're teal, there's some pink in here, lavender, blue. It's really cute. I got them from like the dollar store, literally for $1. So yeah, hopefully they don't pop on me, but we'll see. They were $1, so I wouldn't be surprised. But this is how they look. So for this first one, I'm gonna go ahead and use a teal color. Now that these 3 are done, I'm going to do the same thing with the other section we parted out earlier. Alright, so now we have our parts. This is what they're looking like. Alright, so now that we have all our parts out the way, what we're going to do is I'm going to grab some more gel. And first I'm going to take these first 2 pieces, gel them down on the root just a bit so it's smooth. Now that I've gelled it down, I'm just going to twist it. And then we're going to bring it back like this and then put a rubber band to connect them right there. So with this millipede, now that this is connected, I'm going to go ahead and twist it back. And I'm only going to twist it halfway because it doesn't need to be twisted all the way down. Now I'm going to take these two pieces, connect them over the twist. This one already popped, so gotta do that one again. So now I'm gonna take this twist right here, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna combine it with the first one that we made. So now I'm going to take out one of these sides. So I'm going to start with this side first, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a flat twist, a rubber band pattern going straight back, and then another flat twist right underneath, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Alright, so now that I'm done with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this side. Alright y'all, so I have finished this side, and this is how it's all looking in the front. It's not done yet, I still have to do the back and my edges, but this is how it looks so far. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the back. So for the back, I'm gonna do a high bun. And because my hair is blow dried, it should be fairly easy, hopefully. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Alright y'all, so that concludes this hairstyle. I hope you love it as much as I do because it's really cute, easy, and perfect for the springtime. The only thing that I would recommend for you not to do is buy rubber bands from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, anything like that, because they will pop on you. Go ahead and go on Amazon. I actually have some of these, but I didn't want to use them just because I didn't know how long I was going to keep in this hairstyle. But these are way more hardy and have more elasticity to them, so buy some from Amazon instead. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what other hairstyles you'd like to see next, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified of all of my future uploads. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.